Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. Say we have 2 and 1/3 plus 2 and 2/3. Okay, sa addition and subtraction of mixed numbers, still fractions pa rin kasi yan. So yung concept ng addition and subtraction of fractions, applicable pa rin dito. Kapag similar, add mo lang yung numerators. Kapag dissimilar, kukuha ka ng LCD. So dito, sa case na to, parehas yung denominators na 3. So similar fraction yan kung iisipin. Also, pwede kang mag-ano dito eh. Pwede mo siyang gawing improper fractions muna. Like ito, i-convert mo sa improper, saka mo ipag-add. Pero pwede rin na ganyan, as is na. So, paano ba yung sinasabi ko? Halimbawa, diretso na tayo. 2 plus 2, ipag-add natin yung whole numbers. That is 4. And then, dahil similar fraction yan, copy the denominator 3. Tapos 1 plus 2, that is 3. And then, 3 divided by 3, that's equal to 1. Okay, another idea pa. Kapag meron kayong mixed number na halimbawa A, B over C, lagi nyo tatandaan na parang plus lang yan. A plus B over C. Okay, ganun lang din yan. So, ang gagawin natin dito, i-separate natin to yung ating mixed number with an addition. So, 4 plus 3 over 3. Pareho lang yan. And then 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So we have 4 plus 1. And therefore, the answer here is 5. Next, subukan naman natin yung sinasabi ko kanina. Gawin muna natin silang improper fractions. Ito, saka ito. 3 times 2 is 6. And then 6 plus 1, that's 7. So ito ay 7 and then over 3. Plus 3 times 2, that's 6. And then 6 plus 2, that's 8. 8 over 3. Tapos i-apply natin yung concept ng adding similar fractions. So copy the denominator 3 and then 7 plus 8. I-add natin yung numerators. 7 plus 8 is 15. We have 15 over 3. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So ang answer natin ay 5. Same lang ang nakuha natin dito. Now let's try this one. 4 and 3/4 plus 7 and 2/3. Okay, for now, i-add natin ng diretso. Mamaya susubukan natin yung pag-convert sa improper. Pero for now, 4 plus 7, that is 11. Right here, 11. And then, anong mapapansin nyo sa proper fractions dito? Are they similar or dissimilar? Dissimilar yan kasi magkaiba yung denominators. And anong sabi natin pag dissimilar? Kukunin yung LCD. So gawin natin. Find the LCD or the LCM of 4 and 3. So, ang multiples ng 4 ay 4, 8, 12, 16, tapos 3, 6, 9, 12. Ito yung ating LCD. So, ang ating agreement denominator ay 12. Tapos, 12 divided by 4, that is 3. Times the corresponding numerator 3. Tapos ang operation natin dito ay plus. 12 divided by 3, that is 4. Times the corresponding numerator 2. Simplify natin. 3 times 3, that's 9. Plus 4 times 2, that's 8. So 9 plus 8 over 12. And then 11. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. So 17 over 12. Ang sabi nga natin, ang mixed number ay parang addition lang. So that's equivalent to 11 plus 17 over 12. Ngayon, anong napansin nyo dito? Improper ulit yan. So, i-change natin yan into mixed number. So, we have 11 here, and then plus, i-convert natin to into mixed number. It means 17 divided by 12, that is 1, remainder 5. So, 1, remainder 5 over 12. Tapos, mapag-plus natin to, 11 plus 1. So, that is equal to 12. So, ang final answer natin ay 12 and 5 over 12. Next, ulitin natin ito, but this time, i-convert muna natin into improper fractions. Four times 4 is equal to 16, and 16 plus 3 is 19. So we have 19 over, copy the denominator 4, plus 7 times 3 is 21, and 21 plus 2 is 23. 23 over 3. So nag-a-add tayo ngayon ng dissimilar fractions. Ang LCD ng 4 at 3, ganun pa rin yun yung kanina, sinolve natin, 12. Tapos 12 divided by 4, that is 3, times the corresponding numerator 19, and then plus 12 divided by 3, that is 4, times the corresponding numerator 23. 3 times 19 is equal to 57. So 57 plus 4 times 23, that's 92 over 12. Tapos 57 plus 92 is 149 over 12. Improper fraction to ng answer. Pag kinonvert natin yan into mixed number, 149 divided by 12, you'll get 12. Tapos may remainder na 5. So 12 and 5 over 12. Same pa rin siya sa nakuha nating sagot kanina. Say we have 10 and 3/4 minus 5 and 1/4. Subtraction ito, and mapapansin natin na yung ating proper fractions ay similar. Diretso natin. 10 minus 5, that is 5. Tapos, dahil similar fractions yan, copy the denominator 4. Tapos 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 5 and 2/4. Tapos kapag i-express natin yan into simplest form, madi-divide natin to by 2, pati ito, by 2. Which means the answer is 5 and 1/2. Next, 6 and 1/3 minus 3 and 4/5. Dissimilar fractions na yan. Magkaiba na yung denominators. So gawin natin yung diretso na. Huwag natin i-convert into improper. 6 minus 3, that is 3. 3. And then kailangan natin malaman yung LCD. So the LCD of 3 and 5. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Tapos yung multiples naman ng 5, 5, 10, 15. Ang ating LCD ay 15. So copy here, 15, agreement denominator. And then 15 divided by 3, that is 5. Times the corresponding numerator, 1. Tapos minus 15 divided by 5, that's 3. Times the corresponding numerator, 4. Okay, mag-simplify tayo. 3, And then 5 times 1 is 5. Minus 3 times 4 is 12. Over 15. Therefore, we have 3. And 5 minus 12, negative yan. So that's negative 7 over 15. May problema tayo ngayon. So sabi natin kanina, may plus 2 dito. Pero dahil negative 7 tayo dito, magiging subtraction yan. What I mean is, this is equivalent to 3 minus 7 over 15. Tapos kailangan nyo ng common sense dito. So, burin ko lang to ha. Bale, ang diskarte rito, i-separate nyo muna tong 3 into 2 plus 1. Okay? So, tuloy tayo rito. So, instead of 3, 2 plus 1, and then minus 7 over 15. Tapos itong 1 na to, i-convert mo siya as fraction na may denominator na 15 para magkakaroon tayo ng subtraction of similar fractions. So 1 is equal to 15 over 15. Okay? 15 over 15. And then minus 7 over 15. Tapos we have 2 plus 15 minus 7. I-diretso na natin kasi similar fractions yan. 15 minus 7 is 8. So 8 over 15. Or the fraction is 2 and 8 over 15. Alright? Ulitin natin tong solution pero gamitin natin isang method. I-convert muna natin sila into improper fractions. 3 times 6 is equal to 18 and 18 plus 1 is 19. 19 over 3. Copy the denominator 3. And then minus 3 times 5 or 5 times 3, that's 15. And 15 plus 4 is 19. Copy the denominator 5. Tapos kukunin natin yung LCD niyan. Ang LCD niyan ay 15. Nasolve natin yan. 15 divided by 3, that is 5. Times the corresponding numerator, 19. And then minus 15 divided by 5, that's 3. Times the corresponding numerator, 19. 5 times 19 here is equal to 95. While 3 times 19 is equal to 57 over 15. 95 minus 57 sa may taas, that is equal to 38. So 38 over 15, i-divide natin para ma-convert natin into mixed number. So 38 divided by 15, we have 2. Tapos 2 times 15, 30 yan. Then minus 8. So ang equivalent mixed number form nito ay 2 and 8 over 15. Same lang ang nakuha nating sagot. Let's try one more. Nine and 1/2 minus 5 and 1/4. Dito baka isipin nyo dissimilar fractions yan kasi magkaiba yung ating denominators. Well, tama naman, pero may pwede kayong gawin para maging similar fractions sila. Para hindi na kayo mauwi sa complications ng LCD ganon kasi mas mahaba yun. I-take advantage natin yung fact na ang 4 ay multiple ni 2. Okay? So ang gawin natin ganito. I-multiply natin to both numerator and denominator by 2. Kasi essentially, para lang tayo nag-multiply kay 1 dyan. Hindi ba? 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay? So bale, ang mangyayari dyan, 9 and 2 over 4 minus 5 and 1/4. Bale, similar fractions na sila. Walang kahirap-hirap. Subtract natin diretso na. 9 minus 5, that is 4. Copy the denominator 4. And then 2 minus 1, that is 1. So the answer is 4 and 1/4. Pero kung gusto nyong i-change into improper fraction, kayo na bahala. 4 times 4 is 16 and 16 plus 1 is 17. So pwede rin ang 17/4. Pati sa mga previous problems na sinolve natin kanina. Puro mixed numbers yung sagot natin, pwede rin yung i-change into improper. Depende sa'yo or depende sa instruction.